You talk. Go ahead. Okay, this is 5:18. We are in Ranchos de Taos. And this is the most snow I've seen in 10 years I've lived here. And I am a Florida girl. And I think after this, I'm heading back to Florida. You want to say a few words, Sam?
No.
Come on, Sam.
The images speak for themselves.
Did you hear that? He says the images speak for themselves. We just got pelted with snow from another vehicle. So again, this is Highway 518. We're coming up on the main highway, which is Paseo de Pueblo Sur. And by the way, this is Sam's car. My car is buried in the snow back at home. It'll be days before I could get out because I do not have a four-wheel drive.
Oh, you have front-wheel drive. It's still not good enough.
No, it's not. So here is the main highway. You can see the roads are a little bit better plowed. Not much. Look. We have two anxious dogs in the back that aren't going anywhere. Back to the highway. Get serious here. So there's another storm that's supposed to hit us in another day or so, and they're calling for up to 2 feet of snow. More. 2 feet of snow. Come on, Sam, say something.
No.
It's your chance to do your monologue.
No.
Come on,
I
Sam.
have a snow monologue.
He doesn't have a snow monologue. But he is working on monologues, so stay tuned. There's a plow. Thank goodness.
It's not plowing though.
It's not plowing. He's out of salt. Well, that's weird. Why wasn't he plowing?
Anyone working on their home today? How's Ace Hardware?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, look, they're all like decided to time to fix the house.
No, they're buying shovels and heaters.
Sonic, people are out.
Yeah, people are out at Sonic.
People at Video Casa getting the videos.
And by the way, Sonic has the best root beer floats. Not that I'm advertising for him or anything, but it's true.
Powder ice cream.
Huh?
Powder ice cream, is that just add water or something?
No, it's not powdered ice cream. Oh my god, the guy was up to his knees in snow. My feet are like ice.
People working today.
Oh yeah. Oh, I think it's vapors. Vapors? Vapor.
There's the plows, they're coming through.
Big boys, there we are.
The troops have arrived.
There's the troops, everyone. There they go. Woo! Hoo-hoo! Honk honk. Watch your driving. It's a red light, Sam! Ah! Ouch, you hit me with that water bottle. Oh, man. How long will this record for?
I don't know. It's got a lot of space on the memory card. So.
Oh, it does? upload this on YouTube. You'll have to send me the link so I can send it to my family. We'll get a kick out of it. Come on, Lo, just be careful back there. They need to plow these roads a little bit wider, I think.
Yeah, one-lane road.
Oops. My hand's getting tired.
Almost there.
Oh, man. They took off Jupiter Ascending. Oh, I wanted to see that movie.
Never heard of it.
You have to. I told you about it last night.
Sci-fi.
Yeah. Sci-fi. Did you ever call that manager about teaching yoga? Don
No.
Fernando.
Forgot.
Antonia. My feet are like ice. My feet are like ice. Oh. This side of the highway is plowed pretty good. Looks like they just went through here. Doesn't it? What was that?
Yes.
Oh, man. So they're calling for a continuous snowfall, did you know?
God.
Through Wednesday. That's 5 days. And then we'll,
What's the hold up here? Traffic.
could be a red light. It is a red light.
They're not even opening Baskin Robbins.
They're not?
Don't bother. Oh, it's open.
It is
Some ice
open. We'll never be able to get out of their driveway. Nope. Oh no, look. They've got their...
Employees. Shoveling snow.
Oh, my toes are so cold. My toes are cold. I'm surprised. We gotta stop at a grocery store too, by the way. Since I have to pick up a few things. Oh man, I'm snowed in. Oh, what a weird feeling. What am I gonna do? I'm snowed in. I guess I could start shoveling.
You got like a mile.
Is that all?
The highway to your house.
Yeah, but then, you know, once I get out, it's like I won't be able to pull into anywhere because I won't be able to get out. It's too hilly. Sam, is this still recording? Looks like it is.
So,
This is gonna be a pretty long video.
I bet.
It's gonna be a long video.
I'll have a day to upload on YouTube.
Will it take that long?
It'll take a long time even for a short one. It seems like to me.
What? Oh. Do that, Monty? Have a day, bud. Oh, my toes are so cold. What?
Toyota RV.
Oh, yeah.
They've been around. It's all taped together.
Wow.
Duct tape.
He's got a heavy load, too. His back end was heavy. Low. Your toes are going numb, Sam. You didn't even have the heat on? Oh, my God. Ah, Ranchota's Boot Company is open. Station Cafe is open. Ricky's is open. They're all open. Well, it's a weekend. probably extend the ski season now.
Yeah.
$1.99 for gas. Best deal in town, Smith's.
Store's open.
What is?
Bookstore.
Oh, it is? That's weird.
Sides out.
That's weird. Hey, uh-oh, we're gonna make it up the hill? It's a hill, Sam. Oh no, the hill, the hill. Mr. Bill, the hill.
Guys.
Well, a rock row. Well, I tell you, people that don't have a four-wheel drive, they're really brave to come out. Oh, Joe, we're getting a truck. I'm going to find out what the best vehicle is. I think those Toyotas are good. Or a Honda. Oh, she's open. Spotted Bear's open. Best clothes. Cutest clothes. With a great sale rack. Come on, see? Dog. Ooh, there's Ed Sandoval.
Oh yeah, he's outside painting.
Ed Sandoval, aka Zorro. Did you know that?
Oh, is that what he calls himself?
Yeah.
In Argentina?
No, he actually dresses up as Zorro and he rides in a horse around the plaza.
I could see that.
He does. Funny. Oh, my finger was in the way. No, it wasn't.
They almost did Kit Carson Park. Is that where we're going?
Yep. Hey, rummage sale's coming up.
It was already this weekend.
No, March 6th.
Oh.
3/6. Are we going to be able to get out of here?
Can I get in and say?
Oh, God, don't say that. Yay! Piece of cake. Piece of cake. Wow, no one's here. What a surprise.
Good time to walk the dog.
Yeah, we could possibly even let him run. Well, Monolo, Monty, you're gonna get a walk. I gotta put my different shoes on though, Sam.